One of the best ways to get traffic to your website is by using a website called Quora. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this website to start getting more leads, sales, and traffic to your social media platform. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how I use Quora step by step. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Quora step by step. Now there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. In fact, early on, I learned the wrong way to do it and it nearly got me banned. So if you use Quora the right way, you can be really successful with it, but if you use it the wrong way, you can risk being banned. Now let's go ahead and jump into my computer so I can show you how to start using Quora to make money online. All right, so the first thing that I want to show you is this website called SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb gives you basically internal information about websites to give you a good idea of if you should use them or not. Now, according to SimilarWeb, the website rank Quora is ranked 59 in the world. So out of the billions and trillions of websites that are out there, it's ranked number 59 and it gets 720 million page views per month. So this could be a great place to start once again if you do it correctly. Now, if you're not familiar, Quora is simply a question and answer site that people go to and ask questions about their niche. Now they're asking questions about literally anything and everything. So regardless of your niche, and this will work for any niche, any situation, whatever it is, high ticket, low ticket, regardless, it will work because there are millions of people, almost 1 billion people that use it, and they're asking questions about literally everything. And another great reason why you should consider using Quora is because Quora answers actually rank over in Google. For example, I looked up this, are Cheez-Its good for weight loss? If we scroll down here, it's actually ranked in the 3rd position. So just imagine if you are starting brand new from scratch and you were worried or concerned about getting traffic, one of the great ways to do it is actually to use Quora, because it has the domain authority to rank very high. So lots of reasons why you should use it. It's a great way to boost whatever you're doing now to help you get more traffic, get more leads, get more sales. And just to show you that this is actually something that I have been doing for a while, you can see since I started answering questions, I had almost 93,000 views, 691 upvotes, 66 comments. And the other cool thing about Quora is that the answers can be linked to other questions. They can be merged together. Quora will actually send your answer out to millions of people that are interested in the niche. For example, what's happened to me a few different times is I've answered a question about affiliate marketing and it received so many upvotes and positive comments and shares that Quora will actually send your answer out in the form of an email out to everybody that's interested in affiliate marketing and has a Quora account. So there's just a number of reasons why Quora is such a cool place to get up and running. As you can see here, if we go back over to Quora, just a simple question and answer site. They've got ads. We're not going to worry about it. People are talking about all sorts of stuff. Now, there are 2 ways to find traffic with Quora. There's the easy way and then the slightly more difficult way. The easy way is going to cost you a little bit of money. However, it's going to save you time. The more difficult way can cost you more time, but of course it's free. Let's take a look at the easy way first. Now, what I did is I went over to a paid keyword research tool called Ahrefs. And with Ahrefs, we simply will type in the domain name Quora, just like this. And then when you hit enter, it says that Quora actually ranks for 53 million keywords. We're going to click on that. And then what you can do here is you can actually sort this by position. Now I'm going to need to blank out some of this stuff because some of it, quite frankly, isn't safe for work. And so I can't let you see that. So if we sort by the first position, these are all of the answers, all of the keywords that Quora ranks for in the first position. For example, what type of mixture is butter? If we copy this, if we copy this keyword here, we should find that Quora ranks number 1. So if I paste this in, and you're going to see in the first position. Now, what you could do is you could actually answer this question and then put a link in, which we'll talk about in just a moment, and you could potentially start getting leads, sales, and other types of traffic. For this keyword, it gets searched only about 19 times per month. So, there's pros and cons. But what we're going to do is we're going to type in our keyword. For example, if we wanted to help people get started with affiliate marketing, we can go to keyword here and we can type in affiliate marketing. Okay. And we're going to hit apply. And then these are all of the keywords that Quora ranks for affiliate marketing that shows up in the top positions. For example, if we looked at best laptop for affiliate marketing, that says it ranks in the 3rd position. So let's copy this like this, and we're going to paste this in just like that. Hit enter. And if we scroll down, all laptops is 1, Quora is number 2. So again, if you put together a list of the 5 or 6 best laptops for affiliate marketing, it would be a great way to start generating leads and sales potentially. But this is where most people run into problems. Most people run into problems with Quora because they just want to put their affiliate link right in their answer and start getting sales right away. If you do this, it's a violation of Quora's terms of service. You cannot put affiliate links in your content. In fact, that's how I almost got banned. Okay, I watched a video from a well-known YouTuber that told me to go grab my affiliate link for Bluehost and just put it right in my answers. I did that and almost got banned. So what you want to do instead is you want to send people to a landing page, a blog post, or a YouTube video. For example, if we want to answer questions about which is the best laptop used for affiliate marketing, we could create a quick little blog post or a YouTube video and then put that in our answer. So what we'd want to do, if we come back over to our question here, a best laptop for affiliate marketing, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to show you the longer way in just a moment. But what we could do is we're going to click on answer right here. And then we would type in something like, this is a great question. And then we want to answer this like a blog post. Okay. And then within the first 2 or 3 lines, we want to add something in like, here is my complete list of the 10 best laptops for affiliate marketing and why. And then we might want to say something like this: as a bonus for watching this video or reading the blog post, we'll say something like, download my free affiliate marketing checklist. Okay, and the reason why this will work out very well for you is because people that are asking this type of question are brand new to affiliate marketing. And so if you give them something away for free, like a checklist or plan or something like that, maybe even training, they're going to say, hey, this is valuable information. Now, again, here, you're going to want to link them to a blog post, a landing page, or a YouTube video. Do not put your affiliate links in here. They will get shut down. They will get banned. Okay, so this is the easy way to do it. Now let's go back and take a look at something that's going to take a little bit longer. We're going to go back to Quora here. And once again, we're going to type in our niche in the search bar. So affiliate marketing, just like that. And then we're going to click on search. Now within search, you want to go to questions. And then within questions, look at questions that pop up from the last week. And then you're simply going to answer these questions. Now I recommend in general, you probably want to answer 3 to 5 questions per day if you can, if you have the time. Answer 3 to 5 and always send them to a landing page, never to the affiliate offer. Now, what you can also do, another cool thing with Quora, is that you can answer questions in multiple niches. So we could type in weight loss. Now, it's important to note that if you are creating content in multiple niches, you want to make sure that you have multiple landing pages. You want to have one landing page for one niche. If you're creating content about weight loss, the people that are interested in weight loss are not going to also be interested in affiliate marketing or making money online, but this is a really simple way to get up and running. Now, people are going to ask me, what's the best landing page out there? I use ClickFunnels, but if you're looking to get up and running as fast as possible, you could use something like WordPress, or I guess you could even use Google Sites to create something faster. Now, I personally recommend using paid services like building out WordPress websites or ClickFunnels, because Google Sites could change their terms of service at any moment and disallow affiliate links. People want to, cut corners and do everything for free. Even using the free route has a cost. So I'll put my #1 recommended web hosting platform in the description, but I recommend it's like $3 per month. Get a website, then you can build multiple landing pages on your one website. Now, the next question will be is if you're planning on doing like a broad type of Quora where you're answering all sorts of questions, have a general domain name. For example, if I'm answering questions in affiliate marketing and make money online and weight loss, I might have a domain name of like digital solutions or online solutions, something like that. The domain name doesn't matter too much, but it's just helpful once if the human sees it, and they might get confused if your domain name's about weight loss and your content's about affiliate marketing. So that's the process. It's actually really simple. The thing that's you're going to have to do is you're going to have to answer questions consistently. Now, I got 92,000 views from starting back in 2018 because I answered 3 questions every single day. I didn't have a flood of questions or a flood of traffic that came in on one answer. It took consistently uploading helpful information in order to start generating this type of views and stuff. So that's going to be important to know. With the method and all the methods that I talk about, this is something that's going to require consistency and persistence. Doing this for 1 week and then throwing your hands up and saying it doesn't work is not going to work for you. You're going to have to work at this for 3 months, for 6 months. And if you're not willing to do this, answer 3 to 5 questions every day for 6 months, Quora is not going to be the best route for you. You have to understand that this is something that will take time, energy, effort, consistency, and persistence. You're gonna have to do this when you don't want to. You're gonna have to do this when you don't feel like it. You're gonna have to do this when you've had a busy day at work or a difficult time dealing with the kids. And that's something that you have to keep in the back of your mind. If you want to be successful with online marketing, you're gonna have to do this consistently over a decent period of time. Now that you know how to get up and running with Quora, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.